In the past 10 years, I work with different entrepreneurs, with small and big businesses, and all have this one thing in common. These are the entrepreneurs, and these are the clients. It's hard not to notice that every entrepreneur desires more online sales, to never worry about getting customers, and to scale the business. But the majority focus on just one thing, and that's advertising. But just running ads will not get you more sales. If that was true, having a business was simple. Just pour as much money as possible in the ads and see the returns come. You see where the logic breaks? It's not just the ads. This is the entrepreneur running ads. Look, this is my product. This is the people that see. Do you want to buy my product? Do you want to buy my product? The real way to fix your sales is to look inside. You need to see your website from above, like this. What's happening with the user journey, from visitor to customer. And you have just 4 places to look for: the quality of the visitors and the bottlenecks until they become customers. The first point, the visitors. You need to look for the number of the visitors and the quality of the visitors. The quality of the visitors you can measure by simply applying this formula. You have basically orders divided by visitors times 100, and will give you the conversion rate. Like, let's say 20 orders divided by 1000 visitors times 100, and we have 2% conversion rate. That's a low conversion rate. You need at least 5%. Ideally 100%. The next place to look for are the initiated checkouts. You need for the numbers of product page visits and add to cart number. And you want to keep the visitor in this loop to see as many product pages as possible and to add as many products to the cart. After they build their cart, to move forward to the checkout. In the initiated cart, you need to look for the value. Yes, you need to increase the value of the cart and the number of initiated carts. And there's only one rule: higher is better. The next place where you need to look for are on the initiated checkouts. So okay, they build their carts, they added as many products as possible, but if they not proceed forward in the checkouts, you have no money. So the next place is here, on the number of initiated checkouts. Again, higher is better. And the final place is to look for the orders. Here you need to see the number of new customers and the repeated customers, because those two will tell you a different story. Only after this you will know where to improve and optimize your selling efforts, including advertising. It will be so obvious you can lose. If one of these points is low, just fix it to make it higher. And that's it. My name is Robert, a recovering freelancer. I'm quitting freelancing to start a business. After working with entrepreneurs for the last 10 years, I'm ready to do something on my own. I waited too long for this, but now I'm ready. Please support me with a like, a subscribe, and a kind comment. I'm here to share what I learned from the past decade from working with hundreds of entrepreneurs, your marketing agency insider. Robert. Do you want to buy my product? Do you want to buy my product?